Project ROC, we're rocking with that. Project Rebuild, overall and construct the security force, we're looking at that. Project ROC,
building today for a safer tomorrow, an initiative of the Ministry of National Security.
Hi, welcome to Season 2 of the Ministry of National Security's journey with Project ROC. I'm so happy to see you. Today we'll be looking at the Firearm Licensing Authority and their use of technology to improve their business processes under the Firearms Act.
The Firearm Licensing Authority was established in 2006 as the statutory body in the Ministry of National Security responsible for regulating firearm usage and granting firearm permits, certificates, and licenses. We currently have 3 locations in Kingston, Mandeville, and Montego Bay.
In keeping with its mandate to introduce new technology, the Ministry recently assisted the FLA in acquiring its laser engraving machine and bullet traps machine. Shatar English, Ballistics Manager, tells us more about that.
The bullet traps machine, it is an acquisition station that allows the Firearm Licensing Authority to capture the ballistic signature information for a fired bullet. Whenever a bullet travels through the barrel of a rifled firearm, there are microscopic imperfections that are within the bore of the firearm. Now, as the ammunition travels through the barrel of the firearm, these imperfections are transferred onto the bullet. Now, these imperfections create lines and grooves which form part of the ballistic signature. Whenever the firearms are imported, they are immediately transferred to the FLA. Once we obtain the ballistic signature for these firearms, they are uploaded simultaneously onto the shared network with the Institute of Forensic Science and Legal Medicine, that's the JCS Forensic Lab. Now, if a spent casing or a warhead is recovered at a crime scene and it is affiliated with the Firearm Licensing Authority or a licensed firearm owner rather, the information is easily detected on this shared network. Along with the bullet traps machine, we also acquired 2 laser engraving machines. The laser engraving machines, these machines will be utilized for tracing of firearms. When the firearms are imported into the country, they will be laser engraved with a unique alphanumeric code, and of course this will tie the firearm to the country as well as the end user, which is the license approved firearm holder.
The FLA's mission in a nutshell is to effectively regulate through our policies, procedures, customer service, partnerships, and modern technology.
The FLA currently processes over 3,000 applications per year, with a turnaround time of 9 months to a year. Here are some frequently asked questions if you'd like to apply for a firearm or renew your license.
Once submitted documents are processed, the applicant is interviewed 10 working days after submission. Then the investigation process commences. As soon as the investigation process is completed, the application is sent to the board of the authority for a decision. Persons who wish to apply for a private firearm license must complete fingerprinting at the Criminal Records Office, submit the required documents, and pay the application fee of $12,000. The turnaround time for applications is a year, and applications are only sent to the board when the investigation process is completed and security clearances have been received. Holders are required to renew annually on their birthday or 30 days prior. Applicants who are approved and have successfully completed the competence assessment will receive a purchase order number for the purchasing of a firearm at a FLA-approved dealership prior to the retrieval of the license card. Purchase order numbers expire on the anniversary of the package preparation date. Visit our website www.fla.gov.jm for more information.
Thanks for joining us. I'm Deandra Morrison. See you next time on Journey with Project ROC, where we'll talk about the domestic violence centers across the island.
Building today for a safer tomorrow, an initiative of the Ministry of National Security.